Students, now we'll discuss the chapter number 4 from your book From the Diary of the Anne Frank. In this lesson, Annie talks about being lonely and having no one to talk to despite being surrounded by the family and around 30 people whom she called her friends. उसके चारों तरफ बहुत से लोग थे लेकिन जिनको वो फैमिलीज़ और फ्रेंड में काउंट करती थी वो अराउंड 30 थे, लेकिन फिर भी वो लोनली फील करती थी. Thus she takes the decision of writing her feelings in a diary. It is unusual for her to write in a diary, but she is really in need of a true friend. Thus she decided to name her diary Kitty. Unlike other people, she is not going to mention just facts in it. She starts with writing her background to make it easier to understand for anyone who reads it later. जो उसको बाद में पढ़ सके वो उसको एनी फ्रैंक की लाइफ को पूरी अच्छी तरह से समझ सके, इस तरह से उसने अपनी डायरी लिखना शुरू किया. शी इज़ नॉट मैंशनिंग द facts in her diary as the usually people used to do. She describes her family, early childhood, when they all migrated, her early schooling. After giving a brief account of her background, she comes to the present day, where she tells us about the result day. Everyone in the class is nervous about their result, and boys are even making bets. Okay, she was describing the scene of the result day in her class, and he was quite sure about herself and her friends. She had a good equation with all the teacher except her maths professor, who was constantly annoyed at her for her talking habits. Thus he started giving her punishment in the terms of the essays on the weird topics such as the chatterbox, to which she replied with full wisdom. She wrote essays that were funny and explained that this was a trait that she inherited from her mother. जिसमें उसने essays में लिखा कि ये एक जो बोलने की आदत है ये मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है, ये मुझे अपनी मदर से मिली है, इनहेरिट करी है मैंने उनसे ये, तो मैं इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं सकती हूँ. So she inherited from her mother and not much could be done about it. He kept on giving her essays until she wrote a poem. After third and last assignment, Mr. Keesing, जो कि उनके टीचर का नाम था, मैथ्स टीचर का, never pointed her out for talking. उसके बाद उन्होंने उसको कभी भी पनिश नहीं करा. She finally wrote her third assignment in the form of a poem actually. Which turned out to be a great. She wrote that a father swan bit his 3 baby duckling to death because of their noisy nature. To her good luck, the professor took it lightly. The professor recited the entire poem in front of the class while giving his own remarks simultaneously. The author, being fortunate enough, talked uninterruptedly after this incident without any further homework as punishment. Also, Mr. Keesing, the professor, started cracking jokes every now and then in front of the class. Means third poem जो उसने लिखी उसके बाद उसको मैथ्स टीचर ने बोलने पर कभी टोका नहीं. अदरवाइज़ उनको वो वियर्ड टॉपिक पर ऐसे लिखने के लिए एनी फ्रैंक को बोलते थे और उसी में उन्होंने अपनी लिखने की कैपेबिलिटी शो करी. क्योंकि वो शी वॉज अ राइटर, उन्होंने अपनी डायरी का नाम किटी रखा और वो जब भी व्हेनेवर शी यूज टू राइट द डायरी शी एड्रेस्ड हर माय डियर किटी. इन सच वे शी यूज टू address her, and writing a diary is actually really a good for her, because she thinks that the pages of diary cannot go to other one or anywhere and share my feeling with anyone. So whatever I am sharing with my diary, it will be, that is more safe. And this is actually, this lesson is actually extract from the diary of a young girl. Okay, it is an autobiography written by the Anne Frank, and that was published in 1947. In this, Annie expresses her thoughts in a diary which was gifted to her on her 13th birthday. She named that diary Kitty, which she considered as her only true friend. She mentioned about the childhood, her family, and lot other thing is mentioned by her. That's it for now, students.